This is the electromechanical Idmt overcurrent relay trainer. In the previous experiment, the trainer name is numerical and this one is electromechanical. So here the relay function is operated as per the electromechanical principle. Okay, so from in this is the relay and all the function is done in electromechanical, and in the previous one that is the numerical relay, and another relay is also there, that is static overcurrent relay. So here we are going to find out the plot of current versus elapsed time or trip time, and for all the experiment we are going to change the plug setting of the relay from here, and that will be explained thoroughly when we perform the experiment. So this is the single phase AC power supply, and this is the variable voltage and current injector. From here we will inject the current to this panel. This is the elapsed time counter and overcurrent measurement panel, and this is the output terminals of this relay, that is electromechanical Idmt overcurrent relay panel. So the current injected will be shown here, and at this particular current the relay will trip at this time, and here will show the time. So let's proceed to the experiment. We are going to perform the overcurrent protection by using electromechanical Idmt overcurrent relay trainer kit. So in this trainer kit we are going to use the single phase supply, and this is the single phase supply, and the wiring connection is made as per the wiring sequence given in the manual. So first of all, when we give this supply, we need to first turn on this MCB. After that we are going to set this relay setting. So here we are going to give the plug setting from this point. So first of all we are going to give the plug setting for 2.5 ampere. So here is the 2.5 ampere. So we will put it here. Then we are going to make the time setting multiplier to 1. So for time setting multiplier, this is the time setting multiplier. So here it is at 1 position. Now we are going to set the current. Now in order to set the current, first we have to check this bypass switch is at close or not. So here it is at close. Then we will push this start button, and first we will set the time for 2.5. So at 2.5 here is no trip will be there, so we will set for 5. When setting the current, if the relay trip, then we have to push start button again. Then we will set the current to 5 ampere. Then after that we will stop it and we will reset it. Then we will check for this disc is stopped. After the disc is stopped, we will push the start button, and we will wait for the trip. Then we will note down the time from here, this elapsed time counter. So here we have found out it is 10.7 seconds. Now we will set for another observation, that is 7.5. So for 7.5 we have to push the start button and we will increase the current from this knob. So if it is stripped in between setting the current, then we have to again push this start button. Now it is 7.5, so we will stop it. Then after that we will wait for the disc to stop. In the meantime we have to reset the timer. Now we can start it and we will wait for the trip circuit. Now it is stripped and we have to note down this time. It is 7.02 seconds. We have to take the reading up to 20 ampere from the observation table, and this is for plug setting of 2.5 and time multiplier setting of 1. Now we are going to take the reading for the plug setting of 5 ampere. So in order to take the 5 ampere plug setting, so here we have to take this one out and we have to insert it in the 5 ampere slot. Now we are going to give the 7.5 ampere here. So first we will push the start button and we will decrease it to 7.5. Now it is 7.5, so it is automatically tripped. Then we have to reset it and we have to wait for the disc to stop rotating. Now we have to start it again and we will check for the trip circuit. Now it is found that 16.2 second is the time taken for trip circuit. So we will note it down in the tabulation. We can take the reading for 0.5 time setting multiplier and plug setting of 2.5, and also we can take the plug setting for 5 also. So in order to set for 0.5 time multiplier setting, we have to rotate this one and put it at 0.5 position. Then in the similar fashion we have to take the reading